So what do we got? What year, make, and model?
16 Tiguan. We're going to be replacing the strut mounts and bearings for a popping when turning.
T30. (21 12 point?
24 12.
24 12 point. .316. What's that? 18?
18.
Little popper. It's another way to pop those.
Hit it with a hammer right here.
Yep.
That'll shock them out.
What are you pulling? 10 up top,
10
bracket?
10 millimeter from the bracket here.
One more time.
Unplug the wheel speed sensor.
Yep. Sensor on both sides?
Yep.
What makes the ratchet? Is that a ratchet wrench?
Blue Point. Cheap snap-on. No, that's from a junkyard.
What size?
21. This ball joint's junk.
What's the trick?
17 on the end of an air hammer bit.
Oh, that works. What?
Oh, maybe not. I don't know. That's a good question.
What's clicking?
The strut mounts are popping when you're turning.
Oh, I see. So like a bad bearing up top or something?
Bearing's probably sticky. Yeah.
Oh, you only got to compress it just a little bit.
Yeah, just a tiny bit. Because, dude, I haven't liked the dropkick Murphys for 15 years.
So what's the special tool here? A through socket or a wrench?
Yeah.
Shock feels good as far as rebound.
Yeah, it's rebounding nicely. Like, you don't want a shock that doesn't come back out.
Say it one more time.
Line up this hole in between the two arrows, right with the stabilizer link mount.
Oh, so it goes in. Okay.
That's the line-up point.
You're doing that so it lines up top?
Yeah.
That's passenger number 1.
Ball joint has seen
Better days.
way better days. Better anyway.
the popper work on that?
Not that popper, because you won't get in there. They do have ball joint poppers. I don't know.
How long do those last? It's like a.
I mean, in this.
It all depends like what terrain you're on too. Like,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
'cause up in New York where all the potholes and everything moving, it'd be way less.
Yeah, so they go bad pretty frequently.
Well, that's $100,
Yeah.
which is crazy. Installing the 313s. Get them all fitted first and then torque them down. Tightening the 313s. Give them an extra snug.
Give them extra snug.
How many
Kite days are the worst
Boat
fucking
days.
boat days. Yeah.
313s? Like that day when we went out and I got sick?
His dad's.
What size?
21.
What size Allen? 7? What was that? What is this part called again?
What?
What is this part called?
Strut mount?
Strut mount? The part that you're putting on?
Sure, strut mount and bearing.
Strut mount bearing.
Oh, if you're trying to find something you don't know, yeah, you look at the higher number. No, 21.
Clock tower.
Oh, perfect for that shit.
Snug in. How many hand-foot-pounds is that, you think?
I don't know. That's good.
If you had to guess.
Probably about 30 foot-pounds. That's
Yeah.
good for these.
Is it 24? Uh, 18 up top. $24. 3/16 on the bottom. And an 18 up top. Always be careful. Always be careful with these. You will snap them. Installing the rotor caliper. 221s. $10 for the bracket. Next one the speed sensor. $18 for the, what was that called?
Tie rod?
Tie rod. 18 for the tie rod ends. 5/17s for the wheel. Careful. 18 up there. T30 for the rotor screw. $221. 10 mil for the bracket up top. Plug in your speed sensor. 18 for the tie rod ends. 17 for the wheel.
Oh, boy.
What did we do here again? One more time for the book.
We did strut mounts and bearings and a right lower ball joint.
Alrighty guys, see you on the next. Put the splash shield back on. Bunch of T25s, what, T40s in the rear?
Yep.
There we go, 2017 Tiguan, first startup.